Hello, my name is Gaylord and I work at SKG Automation. SKG manufactures an extensive line of test fixtures that are used with the Agilent 4339A and B insulation resistance meters. One of these is our model 4339-110 low noise test leads, which are a plug-and-play replacement for Agilent's 16117B. We also supply options 001, 002, and 003. The 4339-110 is equipped with a triaxial connector here, a high voltage connector here, and an interlock connector here, and they mate directly with the meter. Electrical performance is excellent with an open circuit resistance in the range of 10 to the 14 ohms. I've already done the open compensation, so I'll apply 500 volts to the fixture and zoom in a little bit, and you can see that the open circuit resistance is in the range of 10 to the 14 ohms, which gives you a lot of headroom so that your probes do not interfere with the measurement of the device under test. This SKG product is brand new and includes a 1-year warranty. Thanks for watching.